But I don't need your word on what I'm into. A freak it to my ego, forbidden if I make it mainstream. And I don't need to wake up to your whisper, forget it with some liquor. Damned if I ever have dreams. But I've got that wildfire, hey. And I've got that wildfire. And I've got that wildfire, hey.
What happened?
Rematch. A tree got in the road.
Tree jumped out.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that was good, man.
Okay.
Oh man, my leg was shaking.
You were
I only got one lap in. That was
My leg
it.
was like doing these ones.
She's got a little bit of dirt on it.
It's still good. It's still good.
The props are all good to go, so I'll rip it back up again.
It's an Apex, mate.
That's
You probably
cool.
just send it straight through the tree and keep going.
She's all straight.
She's all straight.
That one's
Yeah, that one's hitting the GoPro.